Hey, how y'all doing today? Yeah, so today we have something that I think is gonna be real cute. I think this one is gonna be real cute. Y'all know I've been in my kinky straight bag. Y'all know that. We've been flourishing with this kinky straight. Like we've been really in there with it, right? And it's starting to get cooler outside. So I said, let me bring them another kinky straight. But this one happens to be a 360. I'm going to try, okay, to 360. I'm gonna try to get it to look right. You know how sometimes you can get it up there and it look.
Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Some 360 wigs just need to be worn down. I don't mean to, but just some, maybe. I'm gonna try now. I'm gonna just lean on God's understanding. This is human hair, 24 inches, I believe, and 180% density. You know, kinky straight is already thick like that. You feel me? Like I aspire to be. That's why I be hitting those squats. They ain't really kicked in yet, but let me just show you.
Don't dress up and stuff.
Now, this is the company. Please tell me how to pronounce this name. I don't know. I think I ghost bought from them. That is what happened. They reached out to me, y'all, because I ghost bought from them. Y'all know I ghost buy out here, okay? I'm putting my work in. And I ghost bought from them, and it was fantastic. And I told them when they reached out, I said, listen, first things first, I'm the realest. Now, if we gonna do some work, one thing about me, don't come to me and you know you about to send people trash and send me something good. No, I don't rock like that. And they was like, listen, this how they came. They was like,
We ain't sending them no trash.
I said, well, yeah, that's true. That's true. Because I really enjoyed that Ghost by experience. I think that was a 360 too. When I had those ignorant wig edges. Yes. Oh, yeah. Do it. So, yeah, that's how this came about. See what happens when you Ghost by? They, have come bearing gifts. Yes, I see some ignorant lashes in there, a little blush applicator, a milk band. Yes, the edge holder down her. Yes.
The wig hat.
Thank you. Y'all, I have never used the tape. Y'all want me to try to use the tape? Or just the spray, honey? I might just use the spray. I think folk over here more so. When we find something we like, we pretty much lock into it. I might just use it. Maybe I'll use the tape in the bike so I don't have to spray. Because listen, let me tell y'all something. I don't like when stuff drips down my face and arms and stuff. Like when I'm washing my face every morning, I have my little wrist guards because I don't like stuff like that. So if I have to spray back there, I'll do it for y'all. You know that. I might just use the tape back off up in there, huh? Now I'm gonna tell you something else I like about their wigs. It's all coming back to me now. They have that invisible string. It's domology friendly and you can adjust it for your life and the things that you want to do with it. The string is so legit, y'all. It's legit. Honey, they put little pictures in here. Some of the models, yes. Come on, girl. I know that's right. I love the hidden strap component. This is, they give you extra invisible string in case that it snaps. I know that's right. And a little needle to thread it off up in there. Bam. That's what's off up in this packet. I love it. I love when the girls get their shine. Come on, Amira. This lace is beautiful. These knots are bleached and the lace is beautiful. I can already see it. It's not like that ashy white ash colored lace. Oh, this also has kinky edges. This might be somebody come over here. Look at these edges now. Natural curly edges upon this kinky straight wig. 24 inches of beautifulness. Now hold a minute now. They got some curls happening over here. What's going on with these curls? Oh, this is for the back. So if you want some little tendrils, because I was going to say, hold a minute, that does not go together. You can't just throw some curls back there now. You can't do that.
You think you can? You can't.
I see what they're doing. Like in the back, if you want some little tendrils. Like if you want the little curls to hang down like a natural little ponytail. Like if you had it up in a bun and you just finished working out and you have some little pieces that's like fly away pieces, but they really fly away pieces. You bet, y'all. We gonna see, y'all. I think this is gonna agree with me. I think this is gonna be a friend of mine. You see the silicone strap on the back of that thing that's gonna hold on to the back of your neck like a good relationship? Yeah, this is gonna be all right. We got combs in here and the invisible strap. This is we finna be friends, Chad. And as the brothers of the tones once prophesied. Huh? When I am weak and lonely, you the best wig I ever had. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. You want to be a part of the K-Team channel members, hit that join button. We just about to play with this, y'all. I don't know